In this video, we are going to talk about healing your neuropathies naturally. So, neuropathies can be due to a number of medical conditions, like if you have diabetes, high blood sugar, then that can cause neuropathies. If you have any type of other problems like renal failure, then that can increase urea inside your blood and that can result in neuropathies. Then, if you're taking certain medications like amiodarone, anti-tubercular drugs like isoniazid, or you're taking metronidazole, or you are on certain chemotherapy, then it could be the side effect of that medication. Sometimes it could be due to nutritional deficiency also, like B12 deficiency if you are taking antacid, or there is malabsorption in your gut, or vitamin E deficiency when your fat intake is very low, or B1 deficiency when you are a chronic alcoholic or your diet is not very good, B6 deficiency again because of anti-tubercular drug like isoniazid or other factor. So again it could be due to increased inflammation inside your body, like in certain conditions, for example vasculitis, or due to certain uh, cancer cells also it can cause neuropathies. But many times what happens that there is a condition known as idiopathic neuropathy, in which cause is not identifiable. So in such cases people do seek natural remedies to heal their neuropathic pain and neuropathies. So if you have that medical condition, you want to treat it accordingly and then you will see the benefit. But when you have done all the tests, when you have consulted the doctor, they have done all the tests and they are unable to draw a conclusion what is causing your neuropathy, then you want to heal your neuropathies by natural means. So first and foremost, again you have to focus on nutrition. So if you are a chronic alcoholic, there are chances that you may be deficient in vitamin B1. If you are taking certain drugs, especially anti-tubercular drug, then you can be deficient in B6. Then you can be deficient in B12 because if you have been taking antacid, or if you had any surgery that predisposes you to malabsorption, then also you can have B12 deficiency. Or if you are a strict vegan, then that can also cause B12 deficiency. If your thyroid hormones are not working properly, then also that can be due to it can cause B12 deficiency. Then vitamin E deficiency, this is mostly due to malabsorption or very taking very less amount of fat, because this needs fats to dissolve. So it can be due to your problems in liver or gut, or it could be due to other factors like very high intake of vitamin A. Then copper deficiency can also cause neuropathies, especially when you are taking zinc supplement more than 50 mg per day for a very long period of time, then that can cause copper deficiency and it can again cause neuropathies. Next thing is detoxification. So why I recommend you to detoxify your body? Because we over a period of time accumulate a lot of toxins, heavy metals. Even the food that we are eating is not very pure organic. They use a lot of fertilizers, insecticides. Then again we buy a meat that is also not pure, that is stuffed with antibiotics. So we are not eating a very healthy diet, and it is a very good approach to detoxify your body. Because of accumulation of toxins, that can also damage your peripheral nerves and it can cause neuropathies. So detoxification is a must, and you can take spirulina to detoxify. Then coriander leaves your body and keep your body in a good shape and prevent neuropathies. Then third is inflammation. So because of eating a lot of refined sugar, refined carbohydrates, hydrogenated oils, that can also cause damage to your peripheral nerves and predispose you to neuropathies. So you want to decrease inflammation inside your body. So the natural remedy to decrease inflammation will be avoiding hydrogenated oils and refined sugars, and then including the most potent anti-inflammatory agent, that is turmeric, olive oil, green leafy vegetables, healthy nuts like almonds, walnuts, fatty fishes for omega-3, which is a very potent against inflammation, citrus fruits like oranges because they have polyphenols, and you want to eat fruits and vegetables for polyphenols because they are very potent against inflammation. Then berries, and one important thing that I wanted to mention was saffron. This is very potent against inflammation. This has quercetin and crocin. These two compounds are responsible for giving red color to saffron, quercetin and crocin, and this has a very powerful effect against inflammation. So this is very powerful against inflammation. So I recommend, this is very costly also, but I recommend you to use a little of saffron in your tea or anything to decrease inflammation remarkably and heal your neuropathies naturally. So you have to follow this to heal your neuropathies naturally if the cause of your neuropathies is not identifiable. For B1, again I would recommend you to take a benfotiamine supplement because benfotiamine is fat soluble and it has a better bioavailability. It is better absorbed into your system. So I would recommend, instead of taking a B1, take benfotiamine. Then you can take certain supplements like alpha lipoic acid. You can take B6 3 to 5 mg per day, B12, vitamin A, vitamin E. You can take 400 mg per day. B12 I would recommend you take 500 mcg per day. Then add turmeric, saffron, this is very important. Add these foods, omega-3, fatty fish, olive oil, green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, and you will see remarkable benefit from your neuropathies. So this will really help you in neuropathies. Thank you.